you go, caper91's box 1314 SPX. We start with an Ice Premier's rookie, numbered to 249, Ryan Murray. Rookies of Michael Bournival. Got a 97 die cut Luke Robitaille. Rookies Jack Campbell. We've got a rookie jersey autograph to $4.99 because why not? Ryan Murray. Ryan Murray. Rookies Thomas Hurdle. Full match. Hurdle. 97 die cut Patrick Kane. Rookies Eric Greiba. All aboard the trail trade. Patch. Rookies Antti Ranta. Winning combos Roberto Luongo, Ryan Kessler. We've got a rookie materials Vladimir Tarasenko. See if I can get an angle where you can actually kind of see that there is a bit of a background. They definitely should have shaded it darker, but it's there. And the rookies of Mark Arcabello. Well, let's find out what the patch is. Well, I see the name, and regardless what the card is, it's already good. Oh, nice. We've got a rookie materials 2-color patch number 32 of 75, Brendan Gallagher. Brendan Gallagher. So there you go, buddy.